What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to add apps to home screen on your Panasonic TV. Now to do this, simply you want to go ahead and press on the apps button on your remote control to bring out all of the apps on your Panasonic TV. Now once the app loads up, you just want to scroll over to the specific app you want to add to the home screen of your Panasonic TV. So take for instance, if I want to add the Deezer app over here, I'll just go ahead and highlight that specific app, and then on your remote control you want to go ahead and press on the options button over here. You can literally see the options button over here on the left hand side of my remote control, so just go ahead and tap on it. Now this will bring out some options on your Panasonic TV. Now in order to add this particular app to the home screen of your Panasonic TV, you just want to go ahead and select the pin to home over here, which automatically adds it to the list of apps on your home screen of your Panasonic TV. So select that, and automatically it has been added to the list of apps on the home screen of my Panasonic TV. I can as well move it to wherever I want to keep it, and then just press on the OK button on my remote control, just like so. And now this particular app has been added to the home screen of my Panasonic TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.